Welcome to the Copywriting That Pays guide. This comprehensive overview will explore how copywriters get paid, the psychology of persuasion, crafting compelling headlines, constructing sales page frameworks, writing effective email and ad copy, utilizing AI tools, refining your writing, building a portfolio, and finding high-paying clients. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to succeed in the lucrative field of copywriting. Let's get started and dive into the world of professional copywriting. Copywriters get paid through various methods, including project-based fees, hourly rates, and retainers. Project-based fees are common for specific deliverables like website copy, sales pages, or email sequences. Hourly rates might range from $50 to $200, depending on experience and expertise. Retainers offer a steady income and involve ongoing work for clients on a monthly basis, such as managing a brand's email marketing or social media content. For instance, a copywriter might charge a monthly retainer to create weekly blog posts and newsletters for a business. This model provides financial stability and fosters long-term client relationships. Additionally, some copywriters earn commissions based on the performance of their sales copy, receiving a percentage of sales generated. By diversifying payment methods, copywriters can secure multiple income streams and ensure financial stability. Understanding the psychology of persuasion in marketing is critical for writing compelling copy. Key principles include reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, and social proof, as identified by psychologist Robert Cialdini. Reciprocity involves giving something to receive something in return, such as offering a free ebook in exchange for an email address. Scarcity creates urgency by highlighting limited availability, prompting quicker decisions. Authority establishes credibility by showcasing expertise or endorsements. Consistency encourages commitments by aligning with values. Liking builds rapport by making the brand relatable and likable. Social proof uses testimonials or reviews to show that others trust the product. Incorporating these principles helps create persuasive copy that resonates with the audience and drives conversions. Writing headlines that get clicks is essential for capturing attention. A great headline is clear, concise, and compelling. It should evoke curiosity, promise a benefit, or address a pain point. Use numbers, power words, and questions to make headlines enticing. For example, a headline like 10 surprising ways to boost your productivity today uses a number to create structure and curiosity. Power words like surprising and boost add emotional impact, while the promise of immediate results encourages clicks. Questions like, "Are you making these common SEO mistakes?" engage readers by addressing their potential concerns. Additionally, A/B testing different headlines can help determine what resonates best. By crafting attention-grabbing headlines, you can drive more traffic. Sales page copy frameworks provide a structured approach to writing persuasive sales pages. A common framework is the item model: attention, interest, desire, and action. Start by grabbing the reader's attention with a strong headline. Build interest by highlighting benefits and addressing pain points. Create desire by showcasing testimonials and case studies. Finally, prompt action with a clear call to action. For example, a sales page for an online course might start with a compelling headline like, "Transform your career in just 8 weeks," followed by course benefits. And a CTA like, "Enroll now and start your journey." Using a proven framework helps create sales pages that effectively convert visitors into customers. Writing email copy that sells involves creating engaging and persuasive messages that encourage readers to take action. Start with a compelling subject line that grabs attention and entices recipients to open the email. Use personalization to make the email feel more relevant and tailored to the reader. The body of the email should be concise and focused, highlighting key benefits and addressing pain points. For example, an email promoting a webinar might have a subject line like, Don't miss our exclusive webinar and a CTA like Register Now. Additionally, segmenting your email list and targeting specific groups can improve engagement and conversion rates. Consistent testing helps refine results. Ad copy for social platforms requires a unique approach, as users are quickly scrolling through content. The goal is to capture attention, convey the message quickly, and prompt action. Use strong visuals and clear text. Tailor your copy to the platform and audience. Instagram might focus on visuals, while LinkedIn uses more professional language. For instance, a Facebook ad for a fitness app might feature a caption like "Transform your body in 30 days" and a CTA like "Download now." By understanding the nuances of each platform and creating tailored copy, you can effectively engage users and drive conversions. Using AI to speed up copywriting can significantly enhance productivity and creativity. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate content ideas, write drafts, and suggest improvements. These tools use natural language processing to understand context and create human-like text. While AI can't replace creativity, it can handle repetitive tasks, provide inspiration, and expedite the writing process. By integrating AI tools into the workflow, copywriters can save time, increase output, and focus on higher-level creative tasks. Editing and improving copy are crucial for creating polished and effective content. Start by reviewing for clarity and coherence. Ensure that messaging aligns with the target audience. Check for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors using tools like Grammarly. Focus on improving readability by breaking up long paragraphs, using bullet points, and incorporating subheadings. Remove any jargon to make content accessible. Additionally, ensure the copy includes a strong and clear CTA. Regularly seek feedback. Building a strong copywriting portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting clients. Start by including a variety of work samples that demonstrate different styles, such as website copy, blog posts, and sales pages. If you're just starting out, create mock projects or offer services at a discounted rate to build your portfolio. Include case studies that highlight results you've achieved, such as how an email campaign led to a 20% increase in sales. A well-organized portfolio website makes a strong impression. Regularly updating with relevant work showcases your expertise. Finding high-paying clients, pricing your services, and choosing between retainers or one-time projects require strategic planning. Start by identifying your niche and target market. Network through platforms like LinkedIn and industry events. Craft personalized pitches that highlight your value proposition. For example, you might reach out with a pitch showing results. I specialize in writing high-converting copy. My recent project led to a 15% increase in sales for a client. Pricing your services correctly involves understanding the value of your work. Consider project complexity and the client's budget. Hourly rates, project-based fees, and retainers are common models. Retainers offer stable income, while one-time projects provide flexibility. Clear communication about pricing and deliverables helps build trust and ensure successful collaborations. In conclusion, succeeding in copywriting involves mastering persuasion, crafting headlines, leveraging AI, and finding high-paying clients. By continuously honing your skills and delivering exceptional value, you can build a successful and rewarding copywriting career. I hope you found this guide on copywriting that pays insightful and valuable. If you have any questions, please reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Thanks for joining, and best of luck in your SEO journey.